why straight. The friendship officer just tell the move on. Provoke me. Don't send me that kind of useless voice record again. Don't try it. Don't try it. If voice record don't was sending me, don't try it again. Don't try it. Or you want to tell me say you don't see the scenario of this useless musician where you break or you don't collect our money for abroad. You want to see you want to say you don't see their nuisance, including your own wife. You want to say a destiny. You called me, you begged me. I think say no, and it's no. You don't say the friendship will get to. If someone not again, will help with you. You understand me now? But the movement must stand. And when you provoke me, I got to go change them. If you not provoke me, I got to go change them. Who they bring the Azra people mind down, they bring them down. You know matter. You know say like, see. If I get the when they boom, what worship when they boom, you guys are evil. When they destiny 24-bit, you guys are evil. Now going to beg pass. You even get the mind to play what's from. We're not going to win. I don't want to video I ain't yet global. When they destiny will do the walk away, I can go what you video beg them on the level. You play voice of say the way they talk to your wife, you don't like her. Who is your wife? Who make your wife? And they ask you, who make your wife? Destiny. I make Esther. What will be your problem? And they ask you, I make Esther. Who made Esther? Now you make her. Are you the masses? Are you the fans? What's the brilliant nonsense record they play by WhatsApp? No, try that nonsense to go. Let this one be the first and last. I'll be your mate. You just this movement, my friendship movement. You see my friendship movement. Who were all saying here? Or you about leave friendship on one side. Let's call it spade a spade. You don't feel me so? Sit down for his house and watch out. Don't play. Hey, are you boy? Sit down for his house and watch out. Why you give my number to steal me young? Or the first place, you come on me before giving my number to steal me young. You give my number to steal me, and the next thing you are playing useless voice record to me. Don't try and again. Eh? I don't like that. Don't try here. Or what can I musician? Or what can I musician? We don't work. Even that useless music, the work we are begging. The work we are begging. A music, the music I didn't understand. I want Lalu, I want Lalu is low. It's an insult. If you don't know me, I tell you so. It's an insult to the adults, home and abroad. If you don't know, make a see, destiny. Look up, the ones you with this voice record, this video, and this one they want you. Don't try that nonsense again with me. I'm not going to open with no sense. You know your woman control her. You get inside, my friend. What's the problem? Oh, what to control here? If you cannot control a woman, you get inside the friend. What's the problem? Oh, how they misbehave? You don't feel see your wife inside and control her. You play record to be say the way I can talk to your wife, no like her. Who give a fuck with your wife? Not try nonsense with me. When you are cool, you will see the action in me. When you are cool with Verona, when you are Verona, you will know. And when you want to know the beneath power, what will get across here. Now you destiny one know. Now fuck me at the play. See, I want the tolerate nonsense. I like you as a brother and keep that brotherly love. If your wife misbehave, I will correct her. You think who will walk me, or who will walk me, go misbehave. That useless video will do so. What's the nonsense video? When I watch nonsense video, I go where go on. Here nowhere destiny. I start nowhere. I go next on nowhere. When how you don't get sense. You know the wise. Esther they use you. What will be your problem, first? We are bad with no, not tell me. Let me talk to you as a brother. Esther bad with me here. What's the song? If nobody tell you the truth, make I tell you the truth. Not try yourself, make a record to me. Okay, I can record the good. Okay, no one can record the good guy. If they crazy, your crazy, now small people where I by all day. Not try that thing with me again. What's the nonsense in the way? Get my way back here. We respect. What's the bigger nonsense? Tell me, say the way they talk to your wife, say you don't like her. My wife, they misbehave. Sack my wife. Me, they give you the rest now. And all I like you do is sack my wife. Or what now they talk to your wife, but not lie.
Investor, where you are? Investor. I want a sack. Now your video I analyze so. Master, the video where me begging na we are walling muladia. So make a fair list first. Make a fair list first. You know understand me so. You know say people not to understand this on Muslim. They think say maybe na what kind of better person or with the jealous and they not say na evil boy. I believe say with this one now, many of them will now wise. Not fair talk for this video. More than fair wait.
Or you think say with me they talk now, my voice I speak. I speak the masses voice.
Masses
the
voice.
voice is something else to the masses. And
masses voice. Who are the masses? Our Azevo Sulu Banana. Mama here. Azevo Sulu Banana. Umenwan Benamia. Umenwan. Ima very okwe no de. June 16. When I yari okwe. Umakwe ne wae. When I yari okwe. People they celebrate. You know the thing that they celebrate. When I yari okwe. Who walk when I lay? Because of where the Malawi be. My people are fair listed. I believe say, you know, say, no. I believe say, Papa Destiny, you're my brother, you're my blood. I beg. Now I can't beg you for this video. Block this guy. Block this guy. We want to see what this guy will do. We want to see all this bragado. We want to see what bragado can do. We want to see the movement when you say they arrange. We want to see that movement. Baba Destiny, I pray me you see this video. You know, you go make a video now. Share this video. Edioma, see this video. This boy too small. See now, we all hand 20 now. Oh, you hand oh. Oh, yes, was. See but they no neze float la we bovederio. Neze float le vederio. Look the boy. Small boy carry grandmama for us. Small boy. None of the fear. Fear small boy. Hey baba. A secret not really die secret ni agbe o your boy. Edioma, go out. Na me I no give for this Edosaba space. If we want turn blue to white, we'll turn her. If we want turn white to blue, we'll turn her. If we want turn black to white, we'll turn her. If we want turn white to black, we'll turn her. Now me I no give. Forget say maybe na not no recognize Don Prince. And Don Prince he day. I'm coming. A speedy a day, but your money grow. As there was some money, Don Prince grow. And Don Prince day full force. Not be play, not be joke. Don't Prince they come. And they don't get believe it, don't Prince. Say, boy, now, who do it, man? So they don't get where we are at the job and they are begging. They share now. They don't get an since the platform where we dig back. For real. We will conquer them. On the 28th, in Akobe, they are again City on the 28th. I want made that party shock. I want me shock. On the 28th, Esther Edokpayi is going to Verona City, Italy. Oh boy, I said everywhere will show. Edo people, you are not hearing me. Edo people, this is the time for we to tell this evil presenter say, Ofenya him. Ofenya him. Here say, if you don't love person, you don't love person. No matter anything. If you really love Esther Edokpayi, you love Akobe Maton, please, Mona show love on the 28th. I want to see that two show. Plus the one way they want to do for Highland. Please, Edo people, because those videos, they'll come analyze them. I want me shook. Somebody say shock. Hello, they are not hearing me. Somebody say shock. Again City, are you there? If you are against the river, against City, join me. Again City, it's going to be shock. Against City, against City. Amazo, against City. Again. Akobe is coming to against City. What a video now? Against City. Now, we want start promotion now. Promotion will continue now. Omozo, you go nowhere. You cannot stop the movement of Edo land. You cannot stop it. The movement of Edo land, Ofonhi, you cannot stop it. Hello, Edo people, rise up. Edo people, mona rise up and shine. What did they solve? Against City, if you are hearing me, hear me well. Now me be the prince. I want me that party shock. If not be smarty, I suppose they again. Just that you recognize me. You recognize me, a big star, maybe. I'm a big star. For real. Only they are not hearing me. People will come. But why recognize the prince? Against City. Because of Una, I feel condemned. Against City. Because of Una, I feel condemned to again. Una will see the prince. They are not hearing me. I say, if you don't take time, the prince go come down. Against City. Where did they play? Against City. Somebody say again. Against City. Hello, against City. You are not hearing me. Okwarena. Amazwo, I want to see the way you want to fight this fight. You are fighting for the devils. Azevo so binana. Amewan binana. We the big boys in Europe, we love our people. We have money to enjoy ourselves. But man, I'm miskin. We are not a miskin like you. You are a miskin. Somebody say miskin. He will go away. Boys, they will get money. Boys, they will they try. Boys, they will everything they with. Women, they will they try. They want to enjoy. They get big cars. They try. They be big boys. Big women. Edo to the world. You cannot have the candle of Edo light. Edo we continue to enjoy. Hello. Mona share the video. Wala guy. Anyway, now they see wawa guy. I say Okwarena. We want to see who win this fight. This fight, we must see the winner. Ogwogbeluwa. See, I say we must see the winner of this fight. Edo to the world. Euro tour, Niger tour must continue. God punish devil. Ogwogbazen. What did they saw? Ogwogbazen. I say Europe tour, Niger tour, Benin tour, Asaba tour, all tour must continue. If you not get money, stay your ass. They are not begging you to come show. Now big people they come show. People when they call Vone. People when they okay, they want to enjoy. Now let 1 day in a week. They don't say me you come today, come tomorrow, come next tomorrow. So if you don't have money, go and stay with Thomas War. If you don't have money, you are a miskin. Stay with Thomas War. I'm a miskin, ya nirewebu. Mona go meet Thomas War. Eruna now they people they wear. Now people go buy VIP for you no get that day. Hey, Jobian. You miss it, they're not they okay. You miss it, they're not go buy ass. You miss it, they're not go buy car. I said go against City. People will buy. They will buy share, buy everything. Hello, Verona City. Edo to the world. Edo to the world. Verona City is going to be shut down for Esther Edokpayi. So for those of you living in Verona, if you know you are living in Verona, Get her for mercy on the 28th. Now road close. Esther Edokpayi is coming with the latest. Many latest of your day. There are so many latest. Esther is bringing your man. They don't want it to prevail. There are some demonic people in Edo Saba space now. They are pumping money for them. Nia bringing these people down. But what man knows what this now play, not be play. It is not a joke. So anytime you see this my video, continue to share it. Press love and like. Yeah, beg Verona City. Oh yeah, one of the biggest cities in Italy is Verona. Verona na go to Verona. You will see our Bini Edo who work hard. Only one day with the thing enjoy. The media will come down. You will not say, may they not come out for a SARS. The depression be here. The depression be here. Because if you look at Mama Kevin, this useless woman who are begging now, she is suffering from mental depression. You get what they call mental depression. This woman live alone at home with nobody, no friends, no family. She is suffering from mental depression. She does not go to party. She does not go to club. She does not go to anywhere. All what she did is just to bring this small boy to lick her peckles because why? A mini put have been at here. Monoport have been at here. No ladian maggot. He give this boy maggot made the leak for his ass. This is what this evil woman is doing. And very soon, the father house is under investigation. Ya mo wera la dem we gbe ya la dia. E kenera boy why we do we are doing investigation. So my people wanna calm down. Share this video and calm down. So before we start, mo fair listen to this idiot what he tell call him Ebagua. So if you are please mona you the right Edo to the world. Edo to the world. I heard the Sienna Kelly or more Edo to the world. If you know you support Edo artists to be coming to Europe, you're the right Edo to the world. I beg. Now let that one you do for me. You're the right Edo to the world. Errun ti dosima koto. Ama bien. Errun. Awe Ivijo dosima koto. Ivijo. Edo to the world. Wa ginya sima koto. Edo to the world. Wa agbon no Kelly wa wesi. For real. When I see what he tell, he threaten Ebagua because it maybe I hear say if they do admit follow Ebagua because I hear say if they do admit follow Ebagua, so he believe he has the audacity to insult Ebagua at any time. I know Ebagua Baba, if you are watching this video, please, I'm begging you, try your best and block this guy. Not in the sub. Your wife party will shock. Your wife show. Go shock. You go shock. Don't be say play. Because your wife now woman will carry grace. Agbona, ya we gba no mafo. Agbona, egba no mafo. Yeah, Izanze Monica away Edo to the world. What Hope Osas away Edo to the world. MC Sugar say Edo to the world. These are the people who support. They are supporting what we are doing. Omozuo, Emmanuel William supported Europe to we are begging here. Let's see the demon people. I beg here. Oh, masses in work, banana. We are not seeing them. Anytime I come on, people always talk good about Edo. Say Edo to the world. Edo to the world. So I will wear. See treasure. Say Edo to the world. That everybody is supporting. Emmanuel Wami Wagbedo to the world now. They are supporting the musicians coming to Benin. I'm a musician. Wa beg video wa right. All the Europe artists always su Wagbeban. A boy nanu hudana. Wa we talk benanu wa. He has a personal grudges. Hudano. Talk benanu wa dig benanu. Which fight is fighting? The marketing Edo people. The marketing and here yo bonene. Only benanu. One are the listing.
You know the wife. Esther they use you. What will be your problem first? We are bad with No, not about. Let me talk to you as a brother. Esther bad with here.
Sorry, Dion. Say thank you. Hope, Evelyn. I see all of you now. Edo to the world. What I'm yo? Edo to the world. Me they see her. Why team we dog boto? Why team we dog boto? Edo to the world. Edo must be great again.
If you decrease your Christ, now small people we are by all day. Not try that thing with me again.
Do you hear that?
What's the nonsense in the You go away back here. Women respect. What's the bigger nonsense? Tell me, say the way they talk to your wife, say you don't like her. My guy, my wife, they misbehave. Sack my wife. Me, they give you the rest now. And all I like to do is sack my wife. Or what me they talk to your wife, but not lie. Or you think say what me they talk now, my voice I speak. I speak the masses voice.
Imagine.
The wife is up to next to the
Masses voice.
Just the watch out what you go happen to show your
Wahine. Mona swear for her. Mona swear for her. Say no buna voice in the talk. Unta no. Ekbarisko. Iyak binana varisko. Iyak binana varisko. Ima wanati arisko vedo. Ima wanati arisko vedo. E ubi arisko. Iyak binana risko. Iyak boom. They don't put money give them. Iyak binana risko. Their goal is to demarket Edo people. Demarket Edo state. Arisco vedona, who be Arisco? Arisco aladia. Arisco. Who be Arisco? Many investigations where they take place is who be Arisco? Arisco no sponsor here. Who be Arisco? Lare, una to bring Benin down. He go show against City, oh yeah. Verona City, oh yeah. Verona City, oh yeah. Against City. On the 28th is going to be a blast in Europe. This June 28th, now Lana is going to be a blast in Europe. One of the biggest shows the Europe are experienced against City and Verona City. We want to tell them that Umagbanedo, Uwano Umagbanedo, Ogogagbuwa, Oviagagbuwa, Umagbanedo, Edo to the world. Edo to the world. If you are watching this video, write Edo to the world, share. They say they don't have the like block. They don't want to make people they like. They fat me. You know, they know. People are fatty this page. Man, not for free they come at the top now. So any on our feet do a money they do so far make the video go far. Or go billion. When are they listening?
If nobody tell you the truth, make I tell you the truth. Not try yourself to make a record to me. Who can't record the government? How can one record the government guy? If they create your Christ, now small people we are by all day. Not try that thing with me again. What's the nonsense in the You go away back here. Women respect. What's the bigger nonsense?
Say this is not get respect. Oh, Baba.
Tell me talk to your wife, say you don't like
Imagine. Say this is not get respect for who? For you. For you. Hey.
Me they give you the rest now. And all I like to do is sack my wife.
Imagine. For you, we're not fair.
Or what me they talk to your wife, but not lie. Or you think say what me they talk now, my voice I speak. I speak the masses voice.
The masses
wife
voice.
is openness to the masses and now. Just the watch out what you go happen to show your wife.
The masses voice.
You will know when they talking the truth.
The masses
It will shock you. Tell you what they do party for Island, they do for Verona. When you see how much you go can't come give you for us. Then you go know so Umenwan. They tell you the truth. The wife don't feel.
Verona City, oh yeah. Verona City. If you are watching me, all the adults in Verona, please, Mona share this video to Verona. Verona City, oh yeah. Verona City, oh yeah. Esther Edokpayi is coming to Verona City on the 28th. Shut down. I don't know the whole way they want to do. Maybe they'll broadcast the whole for Verona. But my own, they tell the whole world now, say, on the 28th of this June. Hello, they are not hearing me. Hello, they are not hearing me. On the 28th of June, this June, oh, your day so, on the 28th, Verona City is going to witness shutdown. I believe Esther is going to play the best, no matter there. He want to tell the area who fair work. Area warige, una too small. Crow wish afternoon, where they see them. So now, me want to see the power of this boy. If this boy fit shut the party down, me myself will lawyer. I say, okay, that means something is going on. Make me really see the way this boy want to shut that party, because that party will come analyze her. If Esther no get party against City on the 28th, where I could be the call, we go analyze her. We go analyze her. Both the good, the bad, they people will want send video. Where be say I could be not many people food there. We go analyze the video. We go analyze Verona, oh, even Island video. We go analyze her. Omozuo, they play. Uwe eku. Iye Kevin owa. Ne sadist in owa. Iye Kevin emo say. Since Mama Kevin enter live video, my people, nobody does see friend with Mama Kevin. She's a sadist. People like that are sadists. Mama not a sadist. Sadist, go and check in dictionary. What is the meaning of sadist? They do marriage. Nobody call their marriage. Now, never see marriage with person. They do this boy and these two of them. They do marriage. Nobody call the marriage. The next day, this evil woman saying go they drop people. Waiting why you have money, man. In you go they drop people. He saying you go they drop people. These are sadists. So their mission everywhere spoil. The boy cannot go to Nigeria because many people they vex for her. So he believe if he go to Nigeria, he is not safe. Because why? He has been insulting so many people because he get platform. People the way he like. How I join. Okay, now let's continue. When are they listening?
I speak the masses' voice. Yeah. Your wife is optimist to the masses, and now just the watch out what you go to show your wife good now. Shock you. Okay. Tell your wife you do party for Ireland, pay you for Verona. When you see how much you go can't come give you for us.
Why the fake can't money go give her for us? Why the fake can't go money go give her for us? Before Esther start to get money, Destiny don't be bigger. Go and verify. Before Esther start to get money, Destiny has already be a big guy. Now make me they tell now, when me know Destiny, it don't take. When it's the first car I first seen with was BM. That BM, that I still get level before you come back, BM S5. You get the one we fair use before you use S5. If he's watching this video, he will know the year where they talk. That time, people come to can't follow on. Every year, Destiny must use new car. Every year, I can't come up for Nigeria for 2.8. You hear me so? I can't come up for Nigeria for 2.8. The last one where I see for him for that 2.8 was Honda Civic. If I'm not mistaken. One Honda Civic like that. Honda Civic. Now Honda. 2008 model. Honda Civic. If I'm not mistaken, I still remember that time. Because with the jump for some kind of location, you know they know me with your day. Because get the way I take day. I maybe Don Prince. You see so? So Honda Civic. Now I know I put that 2008. I don't know if I'm mistaken. So if they watch and I go because that time they can't follow on. Even that time say people they feel say he do rituals. And where you go get angry. Anywhere, go any party, go anywhere, you go hear Destiny 1, Destiny 2. Everywhere, they shut any party down. That time, Esther never have the rain. Esther never have the rain. But nobody will tell you people this truth. Nobody will tell you people this truth. Esther never have the rain. Destiny does use money spoil everywhere. Anywhere you go, they shut them down. You go from Nigeria, the way ATM machine they do and so. The way ATM machine they do and so. This is how he's do. ATM machine will do Nigeria. Don't invite her for abroad for party. You go buy ticket, come abroad. You say easy to buy ticket, come abroad, come attend show. Destiny was doing it. Go and verify. Go and verify. The time why they tell you so. Esther never have blow. But nobody will come out and tell you people truth. That is why the truth they pepper for you where. Nobody want to hear the truth. Truth they pepper for year. Before Esther even jumped Destiny, he don't say Destiny a big name. He knew that Destiny is a big name. And since he jumped Destiny, the woman life change. I don't say maybe tomorrow that what TV do gbeye say what TV do gbeye say, but what me they see before now post me for my eye, I felt all the truth. I felt all the truth. All of us see this woman, they know Ebagua, Esther life change. I know how many musicians don't know Ebagua with their life change. But many go see post it for her for back. Many go post it for her for back. They don't fit tell truth. I know how many musicians with Destiny don't change their life. But they don't can't tell truth. But this boy see opportunity they media now. They talk to Destiny in here. You will never even travel from Italy to Germany. You will from Germany even fair paper, take deport, come back to Italy. You never ever go anywhere. You never ever go land, go anywhere. Why is war? Your day say one room there. Wazuo tie bonevo Yahweh destiny too small. Who be destiny? Who be we destiny for star for Benin or anywhere for this world. We are team Mujayewa. If not because of social media, the useless this thing while with social media. We are Ebagua for stand. Person where governor recognize and now the position of the governor has. How you win because you dare Italy the destiny. If you not block this man, if you not block her, now you're a team man now because of this boy. No, boy, try to block this guy. Oh, block this guy. Anything with this guy want to me do. Anything with this guy saying what he do, we want to see it. 28 Agbaba. 28 Agbaba. We want to see if the boy na at you. My people continue to write a do to the world. Walk Bazia.
7, 9, 8, 1, 1, 1, 7, 8. Hello.
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 Yeah, I greet you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I want to contribute to what you just talking about Bros Destiny. Not true you talk. Say Esther never even the ring. Where Esther say na people we don't know. Where not even musician them akobe all of them they use and they sing. Who kwa wa host Destiny sarugwe. The man they spray money or what spray go back again. Then one of another one again. Who kwa one. Laga pretty press no rukwe sasa all those I think they were friends then. So we're okay later. Okay. What I'm trying to say is that these people can't they sue them? It is suing for bully, cyber bully.
They wasu they sue in Nigeria we bona awagbiyan. I'm
if there's a way, bros, if there's a way they can charge them or they can do anything. Because imagine how can Frank who are your barrel deal here. In anything, in all ramification, is he better than Mr. Destiny?
That's where they go America. Whoever celebrity on a beer and we are de okay. Me yavagbon when them ma bia le webo umebe umozuo umede de you wa ure wan room zuo we atawe whether na your made because of social media or tiewe
any matter what as in them not see them they told me a secret okay no not to rob your na the thing is just surprising to me all me no go ewa how can you be such a man like this who at obiani wa no we di why that the no ni sunu ne Destiny ke ajawo bo frank memo gbe no ya pa in Nigeria re o no ke aboli lele ya hia na ke aye mo one have brought him to this level is so unfortunate I don't like what I'm seeing. If there's any action they can take against them when they are take this is not nice.
I sure that there are Destiny has to block this man. This useless boy. Our blocker. Blocker. May go.
Is not doing anger issue. Or like I believe the way woman in a numula javena or we contact Frankina. Or contact
Kaka only man matoni every day. Matoni every day.
Yeah, or contact us any another because the very assurance in a way. Estimate
you see finish is too much. You see finish
is
too
much.
Who be Ebagua na rigoge. Who be you? You know be Destiny, but you know the influence. Ebagua forget say they spoil his name. Be for don't do good many. Oh bugbe.
Where now?
It's too many.
Then one person no anything, no one there, no they will not be insulting. Me, I will not take it or if anybody know again, I'm not being so all to go be an order from wherever na bata. Imana via me ario wa hono in Nigeria, Nigeria, a family way. Imana ya buni ya we I will not take that rubbish from anybody. Yeah, the other way, women are lecturing ya day on our way, and I just social media saga. He make way a bloody manner flow. Ni mia mani, no sion we read. Is why Our war. I mean, women. Well, that from where I may know, I will not be bullied from anybody.
Eh,
Not
boy,
people
now, bully gboko no scam a woman is scam millions of nairas. The woman bad ass
Do you even supposed to close to them? Are you even supposed to close to them? When you met it a distance friendship, I met you with you. I cannot bring them close to me. Me, I don't even like making friends anyway. I won't bring them close to me. I may wait to the extent I can't do it. The insult is just too much. Insult in your
I'm hustling for 200K.
And here where the show. Here where the show. No,
I'm hustling for 200K. Where Zua? Don't wait, you see the follow me. Don't see. Koyo.
Yeah.
Oh man,
nonsense.
Ni fire down.
Document. Why press or not say well. What
Ni fire down. Koyo. Let's see. So, my people, it does set. One of the listing.
Your people say no to.
One of the listing.
Don't give it for us. Then you go no so Umenwan. They tell you the truth. The word of faith. European people say no to Europe artists. It's a movement and it must stand. Nobody goes stand, including your wife, my brother. My guy, your wife number one. When the Europe
say Frank that live in one room in Italy.
4, 7, 4, 6.
Hello.
Hello.
What? It's way. Go here.
No, Papa. I told them a video nigga hama no be. You know ya review
You me wa bege na. No give me na bege na.
Yes, me no work wanna. I am in support for that boy to insult destiny.
Wagutavirio.
Yes, when a destiny ma tege boy na we. O me no you come for ano. O no eti mo kia la na be a live video. Ona do meme. Destiny ya mo page job. So what are we talking? He deserve it. When or you jani no ya wo. O ja wo no lawa.
Maybe you're marrying again. Maybe you're marrying again. Or the boy or married boy was his Maybe you're married the boy was his
Don't say that, my brother. Don't say that. Why I say don't say that? Not destiny ki are live with you. No de. A destiny say ya me social media.
Admi, I bet me put my number to call. Admi. People want to contribute. I bet put number to call. So maybe people, those people at large, may they call contribute their head. May they call contribute. Please, if you are there, you have my number. Put her here before Admi call. Put her a pin.
No claim yet social media. I will no soon 2019. No destiny said no be social media only. Termine point na my social media. Point na my query on our vehicle. Destiny ya most page job. Often waiting in LA. Almost was setting me one. So all you go raw fall of the go rob all of it. Yeah, can raw. No just take a boy and as a friend, all of them will collect. Everybody, all of them. Oh, no settle of your I cannot settle of you where. I'll win against settle of you. And number 2, Esther Edokpayi, you do a down the video now. If K is not taking, we'll do the near boy 2019. It's coming back again.
No, mere wana ne. Agieti beverio. Mi agure ma. Why got averio? Agieti say what fi werie. All the fuck up. Me jenana. Only fuck up me beg away or close to Monica. Only me beg fuck up me beg. But with time, Monica we hine. Again ya we do clever mana eta na ye beg on. Monica, we are close to Monica. You must get problem.
Opinion. Yeah, opinion. You understand? Or where one beat is too shy. You understand? And we not cancel. Esther, one of them. What are you doing with Monica? What are you doing with presenter? So Monica is coming back to beat that woman again. It's not taking. So every day, do you understand?
Then I'll wear it when I'll wear it. I'll wear a honey at Timofika. How many people near the destiny?
See, you are John, you are pleading for destiny. But destiny, they kiss Frank ass. That's why they be. I felt told I say people with the spoil. Now the people they call.
Okay, thank you.
I felt told I say people with the spoil. There people, many people they call. As me be like this now. People know they too like as they expose kids. It is also. So they don't drop my number there for people to call. Me don't drop now. So now.
Yeah,
so Mama Mudane 1 minute. 1 minute again aside a lady not going in. 1 minute. So why they see say people they call Mozuo? If you look up most of all these big people, most of all they don't call Mozuo. But me, they never call me. Because me, they believe I know they try. They believe in me. Never go viral. Maybe now Mozuo don't go viral. The priest don't know anything. Maybe my enemy na Mugu.
Listen.
Now so they be. The bad ones. Now they trade pass. No. None of you understand.
Not be that one. Me, I believe say destiny will be the last person when you go call this Omozu. Why?
Okay, you take way back. You won't have finished it way back. Take call.
Yeah, because you don't feel receive different type of bullying for social media. He rich. May use that one to learn. He not learn. Another one again. What did you do for that mistake? And plenty where they insult palace, when they talk to a guy anyhow. So it's like you both of you are the same thing.
But in me way destiny, Mudane Mama. In me way destiny tawe. Made this boy not the bully wife again. Or my here, or time away, hey, you sort of honey. Based on where you know why he's talking. He to say there don't be enemy. Mudane go egwan. He to say there don't be enemy like this. I believe say destiny no will call her. Now when they don't be enemy, now the enemy don't they close to now, he don't they see, and I believe say get where we reach now, you need to block this guy.
All I see. Listen, my brother, you know defend destiny for this matter. Destiny 70% wrong in this matter. You not getting page, you not come out from page, you not come out from platform, me talking. Almost why you go call her indoor? Which secret door did they do? What have we said?
You know, say, I never know now, true, allegedly. They say now, almost will be admin.
Nobody should go close to him.
If I tell you one thing, here where Mudane, man, lady, they say now, almost will be destiny admin. That's why I hear, I know they're not true, allegedly. I know they're not true.
Yeah, if you answer for that one. Yeah, if you answer, what destiny will give almost page. He not see and say he almost will kill what they call attitude page. He not see and say he kill the Murphy page. Why he go give and I know he not picky. Almost will be page ni. Almost will page ni go everything.
Mama, when Mudane, ma to don't get one, don't get Mama. When Mudane, ma pick no give you.
1 7 6 8
No give.
0 6 6.
Hello, my brother.
What? Hello, what? I hear you. When it's up.
My brother, don't preach.
What?
It's okay. Hey, need to get contribute to you because you're busy now. I'll do video on this same topic later.
Yeah.
Bros, what is bad, my brother. See, you get people where be say, they talk to Destiny Ebagua, my brother,
Yeah.
Because they hear same person they talk around. You know, may I tell you what if I talk? Almost where I be your mate. Be listening. I be your mate.
Imagine.
Never be your mate now.
Every he cannot boast of 1,000 euro cash.
Then now, Waoo Esther Edokpayi. Ogo do come Verona in a mafia.
Imagine.
Waoo Esther Edokpayi do I mean Woba or do I mean yes Valley? You know we know.
Yeah.
My brother. Esther Edokpayi are your brother, bros. Speaking to when almost was a nobody, a son of a nobody. Oh, wait, Esther Edokpayi bros. Esther Edokpayi will be say man. When 5 years back, 10 years, if you sit down with Esther Edokpayi, oh, you know me aware. A king of
I tell you for you, you know be Ebagua, Destiny 1, Destiny 2, Destiny 3. Oh, he cast. I tell you, know be saying social media. Why not your Destiny Ebagua?
Bro, this thing, they pay me.
See, if you insult Destiny here, I will block you.
My brother.
See, if anybody see Lisa, my friend, delete this comment. Lisa, you don't want to follow me. Not go to do all this kind of thing. If you try,
my brother,
yeah,
Destiny na your guy, TNA, maybe no tell me the truth. Tell us, say anything we tell that mugu, that idiot, that son of a nobody, that bastard. Anything we tell him, make him do that nonsense when he do yesterday. I mean, Destiny no know why I confess Yamawe. My brother, because I don't wear Oganame no yeke call a book you. That useless boy, he get a Ebagua record. And I tell you so. He get the Ebagua secret. That's why he get mad to that video. Person when they do video for you, they're not a man Frank or Moswo. Oh no Frank, bros. Oh no Frank. Hi Frank. Ah, bro. See, this is the vex me. I don't like you.
A boy,
he get what you go there happen sometimes. You yourself go there ask yourself, say, what did they happen like this? Almost war. He the fair people. He know my with Italy.
Be what woman? Eh?
So at the heart. I mean, almost don't fight for Italy.
Okay.
It's just that boy. Oh, here, can't pass way down. So where brick or left.
Oh, no, Percy, where whom I feel collect from me hand. Oh, no, who ate me or why? Ikun wa. Or why we saga for 1 month? On a la wa. Or zwa. You understand? Always saga for 1 month. On a wa zwa.
The Destiny Ebagua, bros. Call him. Me, you ask a question. By your girl, he go tell you the truth.
Me not get Destiny no bow. Me might Destiny there. Me not get no bow.
Yeah, me are no bow anyway. Because my brother, they come for a later.
Lao, every saga, every saga.
I want my brother. I want to ask a question, brother. I get disappointed.
Because this, you know, say, Enogi, one thing I don't know for this live video. Most people, now who they beat them, now they fear.
At the shame.
Who they beat them, and it's not good. You know, who they beat them, now they fear. Like Omozo, they beat all of them now. If you see the way they fear Omozo, we now bat it work belly now. If you see where they fear bat, but we where they support them, they know they fear us. Don't say we not get level. Me, I don't get pass. See, everything where Omozo they do, I do a pass. But I not do that kind of thing. Everything where Omozo they do, I do a pass 1 million times. Me.
That video Omozo they do so, bro.
I do a pass.
Let me go load that video. Come on.
Yes, now you're for sure. I'm not saying I could say, I can't quit talk on the video.
Bro, when I tested the video yesterday, it was already in Netflix, my brother. When one of my fans just sent me the video, bro, now I fear, my brother. Make it down a video. Because only you know why you papa ya be fat you was.
Kere na go. Wait, Enogi, may I quit tell you, wait me to know say the saga go set. The day we Frank Otto say Destiny give him 400,000 for birthday. Where Destiny never ever talk. You know come to turn in him and then saga and they set. Because and also not to tell because in case of those sunu, the Destiny make it why way when you maybe gonna have a birthday. Who is well? And that's a can do tell for. If he say get sense, the boy if he say smart, you don't know say to destroy they very easy. Omozo to destroy na easy pass. As when they repair so, he hard die. To repair, it dey hard. You don't know, where they repair, una they destroy. So, to destroy, they very easy. If me want John and I might destroy, everywhere go scatter for social media now. If to say me John and they do all this, you don't know everywhere go scatter for social media. If you do, all those musicians for don't entice us. They for don't entice. But my
Papa will tell matter.
okay.
Anyway, you know be Destiny no.
Who said that, man?
Bros, Destiny don't tell this guy something. My brother, don't matter me. Or Moswo, they don't.
We said they give me métier Destiny, me real life na métier, me no touch me.
Okay, no,
Me no touch me.
That's not get. You not get any explanation.
No, I not guess now. You might be now. I not guess explanation. You guys, but based on say the friendship will be say where this boy see and finish. So we need to head down.
Listen, you know it's the payment now. You know direct say oh, I've gone now to send the screenshot to me. The screenshot no he almost will give you. A destiny ya agmeyo ona ya tie my blood. Calm down ah. Gumesa de egwe. Nah,
Oh, why do they do all this kind of thing? Why? When they follow one, they do one. Why? People will not go, will not get level. Person will not get level. Women were going now. If you can't do a table with your man, because a most will not get level. You can't look at any. Ah no.
May I say that for you, bros? May you see the way they say Ebagua. In fact, you review it. It's Ebagua na Indiana. Ona in your most war. A son of a nobody.
Now say another give the power that can't grow. Man, no keke warrior tina. Now say una the post put away. Una can't give us the power to grow. They don't grow finish. They can't una take the land. Later now say okpaya yakin. Okpaya yakin. Send the government enogi. Now go give the level. Make they take grow. If they don't grow finish, they can't use that level. Take the insult una. It not good, the one. It not good. Go and check on my broadcast in this media. You'll see what they do for this media. Now so repair with the repair. The one who the saga, you know say that bad person. Who done 3 years. Eya defend Monica. Niati eko betelena. 3 years. Ma happy eko betel do ari no jeve na Monica won at the see today. This the way Monica has been facing this so now we put Monica for that stage. Mave no gina. Mave no gin we gena dioma. Now we put Monica for this stage. No na do take me here when you bass do those about space. Marok Mahio you the best. You the Range Rover, Mamati Denity, your social media bless. Now me and this is no-gi. Now I carry that woman for that level. This man is happy. When the destiny bag, when the Akobeya happy, wherever you need your man. When Akobete the happy, the way Akobete happy that time. Destiny 1, Destiny 2, Destiny 3, Ebagua 1, Ebagua 2. Ava Akobete be, what if now? This man, I tell the other musician that this musician where they sought government that time.
4, 9, 1, 7, 6.
Oh, so where am we?
Where?
I don't screenshot that for you.
Okay. Last Sunday no be Sunday no be the Sunday no be Destiny many TA.
No problem.
Okay. So
4, 4, 7, 4, 6, 2, 8.
hello.
Hello.
You know that?
You are one man. Let's me read you insulted destiny. You understand? So even set it
why easy?
No. Never come over your farm. Understand? So if you know social media, no dima. So nobody should insult destiny. Well, I will wire of you. So we know ya dima. We know so ya of you. Or dima. She might go video because a big nana can't repeat it by any live video. Okay, can the destiny let? Okay,
no one magbe, yeah. No one magbe and Akobe. You don't see the way they have destiny. Now they have destiny where the old Bini cast where they cut in no destiny. Now waiting me and Nogi do for Akobe the way no know our value. Now be waiting every day with the whole platform. They support one useless woman. They be my on the UK. Oh, when they be my on the UK. Mana wa support eh. Beti ya me say ma o awe wi magwalo. Awe wi magwalo. Awe wi magwalo. Today a colleague me IT ewi. Ewi IT colleague me. So te awe mo edon ewi. Ari ma kan no gwale ewi. For all the happy na happy dani ati ekobete. Esther yasi kenan that wo fight in Esther. Ni gbina na kero to 6 day. O ma do fight in Esther. Avec been no gelero to na nesta ya migo o ma fatoni no nesta ya pa yo wodore no ya scatter westa no ya miewe iya we wod ya ozazo wani kwa Esther we gi mare o egbina ni eti agbina Esther we do hinsi go mo
hello
mama mudia ne mama mudia egbina ni eti agbina igbina ni ekobete ga agbina na the fat ekobete was fighting so that Esther will leave Destiny Ebagua. That one a fact. That one a fact. The fact. Wait, Esther can't go for one. They do friends. Say they help me. This is not help. He was trying to destroy your hope. He not be say you now. Maybe you still love destiny. The love never spoil. The love is still. The love is still sweet. The love never die. I not pray may die in Jesus' name. You hear me, so Esther Ebagua. So now that is why you were very strong. That's why it be say you still hold destiny strong. If not be so, say you be person way weak. Monica for drive you come up for where yesterday that period. But since when they take the talk, say they want to arrest your enemy now, they want to do everything. Ah, when Monica be road over, support you. Monica Malawa. Where you going to matter? Come better. What's the man do with Sagana? Make us Saga people where they sort you now. Because all those are not rich. This is this life they are living in those bad space. Mona they careful. Imagine mama say, but Mona they careful. Mona they careful. Mona they wise. Why you got feel on a mindset, on a level, offend him, on what come on last over? Ma me be to come why you got come on last over? No people. Why do you call your mama zin? You know way I did call your mama zin. You both not be lazy people. And man, what you man at the end they will come back be disgracing you now. And man, very honor. Mona learn, please. So my sister, carry on.
Hello. What they try to talk just now? Destiny for why I stop everyone almost will negative. Well, if we don't stop it already started.
No, you go gear.
Why me?
You go no gear.
Waiting
You go no gear. Carry gear is stop now. Stop now. Destiny. If you go they write this guy gay. People go they saga you well. The concern say if there's a secret, this guy is only for you. I make you the pampara. People will not see that there's a secret Frank Omoswo is only for you. That is why you are pampering to not bust the secret. Social media, the secret will still bust. The secret will still bust. That time. If there's any secret, if you say they work for you now, and maybe you go and mark it. That time it will take. Oh yes, sakbo. So why not your live and I may do what you want to do? Why not your live and I may do what you want to do? Oh man, the old girlfriend, you know, friend in the social media, they not make one no girlfriend in me. One no girlfriend in me. Well, they were my girlfriend like social media. Me mama nagmo. You always say. You always say. You know how many girlfriend me get? Why anyone never come out for social media? Why anyone never come out for social media? So now it's a big brief woman come out for social media. So sometimes when they think there are something where person they do now, no say it's gonna be human. Or now man, no so queer. It's still a ball. Oh, your hand. Go, it's still a small ball. See all the women we don't knock all this social media. You never see even my old woman when me deal with for us. Well, my beg a video. Oh, I beg a twin. I'm our girlfriend. I'm our girlfriend. So Mona, all those are integrities. Why are you rockba? Not the common last person. Not the common last person. Why are you rockba? Oh yeah, I'm at me going.
Hello.
I'm an tomato, madam.
A pie destiny. A pie destiny. When I say kiss and tell. A kiss and tell.
You said no bag. You know, but if I destiny, when it's here. Mama.
I call it life now. I call it life. It's not done. I call it life.
Okay.
When you call it life, you have to go one now. After life, you call it. You understand? You talk man to man. Man to man. You understand? Anybody that go close. Anybody that got close to him, they will see him. What did you born and was say? It's not your friend. The born and said, me, oh, let him. Oh, no, say, go one of what, anyhow. Who can be dead? Destiny, we know if we talk to. Let me can't they pay me. Say, Destiny, know all this thing. Why do you go close to this boy again? Why? Oh, no. He tell me what one of Talo for no love. That's it. Exactly. Why? A boy
yeah, I'll call her later. I'm not call her for life. I'll call her later. Don't worry. Yeah, I'll tell you later. Me not go bless. I call the call her for life.
That is it. So why are you begging? You leave them, let them talk with their mouth. Where? What is the thing? Do mommy phone for? Because it's every time your name must come out, Fuck them up. Give me you call them, you wasted the matter. Or calling out what was a record young area down. Can you talk in my record here? That is the painful part of it on your sin. I'm more way or market care on the destiny can go in here. Oh, hey, destiny life with your degate here. Trust in the boy now. Or degate in the boy now in his behavior of the boy now. Why did you go close to that boy? I'm not why I'm not pitching it. Thank you.
Where's my sister? Where's he? Because I ought to see, I get girlfriends. All of that one of my come here. The metasi wa money. Saluba social media wa big. The one me they talk since. Una not yet that one. When I ought to say, you know how many girlfriends I get? All of the other right say, don't please, so you dey cheat on your wife. Don't please, so you not talk that what you get. You get many. When I take her easy, I use a make parable. Say in life, first you need to get dignity. You hear me? So have dignity. Anything you are doing, not use that to fulfill your mouth. Where people say you do overdo. No, nobody is a saint. Nobody is a saint. You say so? Nobody is a saint. So anything you are doing, not use that to fulfill your mouth. See all the girlfriend with your friend, no one, all the social media, all the sagarian vision, all the telling ya winya, all the telling ya la linya nisa, all the telling ya, that kind of boy. Why you go, man? Mene don't prince out there here. They make sure soon and they not spoil. Una go the post it from my eye. My God, it's not sleeping. God knows that I'm trying for you guys in Nigeria and all those artists. The day where I go do one bad thing now, the way they take verse on me, Hey, Baba. You go see I say this life not balance. All those people where they saw this will not be their best friend. Every day now they talk. That's so the life be. You where they support them, they feel say maybe get with you the fair for their hand. Or get one thing where they want to bless you. Me, don't prince. I to get pride if you not know me. Not know me. People who know me will not say don't prince to get pride. For real, now because you don't know me, now they can't me join those people. I to get pride. Askas. For real. Askas. That's what my bowl askas. I not be a monzo way be cheerful giver. Macbola scars. For real. Go ask questions. They will tell you. Go ask questions. They will tell you, say, don't prince na maka. Forget, say, they say they are not hearing me. It's scars. Now, time, una will know. Say, don't prince, not be small meat. Not be now. Not time. People, they celebrate 10 years for social media. Now, 3 years that they celebrate, so. 3 years. So, I'm still the go. People, they celebrate 10 years. I never reach 10 years on social media. Maybe before I reach 10 years, like the Monica. Now, they see maybe I feel come past Monica. Maybe not be Range Rover Sport, me go buy that time. Monica used 10 years to buy Range Rover Sport. Me did 3 years now. We are still going. Maybe the time Monica start for 3 years, they don't know the way they know me so. So 3 years, let me still there now. So counting before I reach 10 years on social media with time. Maybe now since I say many things don't change. Me now, they chop money for social media. Me, God they bless me. You see the difference with the? These are the difference. So person use 10 years to celebrate now. Saying they do 10 years on social media, they chop the own money, everybody. They celebrate Range Rover, give una, they call her big woman for 10 years in live video. Me 3 years. Now see the post picture my eye. Now not to say don't please they try. So people they live video 5 years, they never know them. Some days 7 years am I young. But don't praise 3 years, you they shake everywhere. And most of them they go more than 7 years for live video. Not be today. Now they hear me so, not be today. Don't they go 7 years for if I'm not mistaken. Now they hear me so. So may I quit may I play this almost for this to finish. No na see.
3, 4, 6, 2, 4.
Hello? You call. Hello? Okay, wait, now there we do this now, yeah.
He will shock you. Tell you what they do party for Ireland, pay you for Verona. Then you see how much you can't come give you for us. Then you go no show Umenwan. They tell you the truth. The word of faith. European people say no to Euro artists. It's a movement and it must stand. Nobody goes to that, including
your wife. Say my wife they watch. As I they talk, so my wife they watch. This is not the watch. If they watch this show. As I they talk, so she they watch
them. Say no to Euro artists. You should be ashamed of yourself, destiny. Iwe emeya dia send well. When they say back, Iwe eya dia send. Esther, honor ya do by Monica. Iwe ya dia send well. You are a disgrace to be people. You are a disgrace to be people. And they come for you. Now me tell you, don't be joke. You be big shame to believe this. For still solo, you are a big shame to believe people. Umane go by destiny. It's a shame to you. I'm telling you now from the blood as a brother. It's a shame to you. When Monica disgrace was you lost thousands of euros for UK because of Monica 2019. Disgrace your personality. Bring your nakedness on media. You should be ashamed. Blood, you be fuck up guy. To who allow your wife to have connection with Monica. Okay, go sleep. If you provoke with this man, I will block you.
EJ. Go here while we block your destiny. Oh, this one and I give my Go here we block eh? I beg. You are in your way. We can block a man. I'll give me your card to block where. I beg. When I share this video, me for seeing her. I know. I pray me see her. Look where did this guy talk? Oh, I hear him. We block where. You eat how you block where now?
To who allow your wife to have connection with Monica. Okay, go sleep. If you provoke with this man, I will block you. And when you hate person, we don't get sense. Who be Monica? They say, "Oh, what the hell? I don't bring them go there." It's GPC.
Shut up there, GPC.
GPC.
See that? Not be GPC. If it be Monica fans, not be all Monica fans be GPC. Why is it that woman now? If they support Monica, but not be GPC, I want you have a man very soon. Why you guys? I want you have a man very soon. So GPC, why is it not be GPC? So Mona not because say GPC I not go that party. Mona go. Why is it because of some of the verse of GPC? Una say not go that Highland show. I beg. Oh, everybody in Highland, you are welcome. GPC or no GPC, you are welcome. This foundation where want to do something. She's not a GPC member. She may be a lover, a fans, but she's not a GPC member. Hello? They are not hearing me. We're not continue.
And when you hate person, we don't get sense. Who be Monica? They say, "Oh, what the hell? I don't bring them go there." It's GPC. GPC. They show the who the hell? Who put the sponsor your wife to Ireland? It's GPC.
They say, okay, Larry. They say Mama Kevin at GPC too. When my Kevin away GPC. Yeah, Kevin. Away GPC way. Because the Monica we back the club biane. E ko beta we back club biane. Okay, start do what? Esther e ko beta almost to be. Don't want to beta my na time. That 2019, who is support? He support Edward to fight Esther. Today, he's now supporting Esther to fight a war. I don't want to rotate video. Here in a PDP, APC, on a PDP, on la PC, on a KPC, on la PDP, on a KPDP, on la PC. This is your life. Here in a PC or PDP. Why? You supported person. I beat this one. Later, you not change. J. I PDP and APC. Me no go very megbe. Imega agbe lolo. Ina agbe lolo ne Monica. Today, imegi gbe Monica ni lolo. Eat everybody body. Eat everybody body. So more are the wise. More are the wise. Una where they comment so. Commenters. Una the four victims no know. Where wa mwegi anere. Egian wa mu bugbe. Nana bere so vote no. Some people you the verse or you they don't know you because who they support. Because who they support wa wa mwegi anere. O ma no koko wa mwegi na ve van di social media wa ni man e do tomu wa leli yaku wa si Kenya wa wi temata. But man you temata no way na say the people now they post spit for their eye. God not the sleep. God not the sleep. The God of vengeance is working. Are they listening?
Who put the sponsor you want to Halang? It's cheapest. Oh, not the fool. Because of money. No integrity anymore. No integrity. Shame on you, bro. You don't see who tell you, they can tell you now. Shame on you. I'm not disgraceful when we can do it like, where's the social media? Oh, can you believe it? And you think you know go for this media. Bro, I tell you, it will never happen. I go make sure I mess you up for this Europe tour. Now me talk.
Imagine.
I'll be your brother. I go mess up for this
imagine.
May go back home. May go last.
You feel mess leader song.
Now I see your
me. Yeah, me day. Hey, Agge City, Verona City.
I see your course. Someone pick the call.
Yeah, me day.
I'm a hammer. Go to about yes. You can be what they call me. Every no matter who you type this make now and
oh yeah, wa beg call you this. Wa beg call you this mamu.
Get size.
You can view everything ati. You can view where them miskin. Voya mu e respect you eh. He's not respecting you. Uma say. If you are a woman that have dignity, uti e emu. Don't want no respect or my respect we no work eh. Walk can rest no matter anything. O can be voice we Only okba no Umenwan. Oh, do we you first hear from you because there is nothing that is good about you. Oh, what man when you no man with boy. Only that so you get say you ti do relax you gbeso. Only man no ma who ezwa. Then no ma we ma. We ma. We ne go. We no tasezi. We ma. What these boys enjoying for you is only your ass you have in Italy. This is what is gaining from you. If you were today, okay. Look at what he's saying now. Only a PK call, eh? No, he made any way PK call, honey. That we will live video. The next person that is close to me is my wife. Because anything else, that we ban, but you ignore her now. When I listen, only a PK call, only a beg because when I go my say, I to down. I'm aware of very soon. I don't go where when I can see papas. I'm aware of very soon. I'm the wash.
You can be what they call Every no matter who no you type this make now and why. I'm a hammer go to about you. Yes. You can be what they call Every no matter who no you type this make now and why.
Wow.
I'm not take this.
Do no na Destiny married to celebrity. Destiny they are enjoying. The wife not complain. Senior one not complain. The both of them are enjoying. The second one they Europe tour now. The first one they shop they say everywhere good. Destiny Ebagua they government office is working for those people. Everywhere good. Now you're the Chris. Was what? Imagine a man that is working for a dope people right now. The office for a dope state is working. A government is working. Second wife, they Europe now. First wife, they big shop. They say you my hair. If you not get money, you not feel that store. Not go put one. A big man they visit her. If I ever be a car, while last toy word, not the toa, everlasting hell there. Not be yeah. So if you go there, now you see now many celebrity they go and war store because you go where miskin. Also na time why man spend you go away boyaje party, ni gele fine musician, they are not complaining. So tomorrow I can't do topic of musician. Why they the vessel musician where they been? Can't do a topic here. Many musicians don't call me, tell me their mind. So I can't do video, put where be say waiting made the verse for the one within Nigeria. So for Destiny Ebagua, for call her for live video, I never called her before. So person never call for live before. I don't feel your call her for live video like that. I first call her for SARS first. I be man, we get sense. Now they hear me so. I be man, we get wisdom. As Solomon get money rich, he say, God, give me wisdom. Solomon not get wisdom, but he get money, get wife, get everything. Upon us, he get many wife and everything. God still give him wisdom. So pray, may God give you wisdom. Almost will not get wisdom. Any wisdom. He believes in us so that they they not zo no we have favor gbeso. Ever have bibi people here. Ya tie. Even Zuba and what they do. We are dolling ya, they don't care about you. Or say, it's so not fuck up. Ya gag be Let's so fuck up. Because now they like better thing. See now, this boy is not falling your hand. We have crowd they now say the beggar. You the beggar. Begu, Omozo. Omozo ati do Prague, my men have made the beggar. Ogok bijea. Abio viak bije kevi. What is secret to get where they never see for life? The secret na me wa bonade. Uwe mak bon le pa Destiny. Uwe bon le ya. You pa person hide. Which secret they fear? Ogongbe. How the listing?
Life so that you go get sex. Mama ya mama wanya to bewa. Esther Edokpayi wa, o ha get this gbe gwan. Oh, hey, you na give up. You know me I take and amend the model. I have to tell him the truth. You stand up here, man. A man book where you must not lie. One is not your problem. We appointment with the government. You will not be here now. You know what? You don't see. Okay, enter.
Damiona, Buhari was the president. Amana Wohanaviya. Gulo Jonathan was the president. Amana Wohanaviya. Tinubu no be president na. Oh, God, they na we. Maybe the one year soon. They we mommy. Not be our mama. Oh, Domanana de. We no remana. Oh, hije kevia si bolwale le yakana. We na we je kevie. Niye Kevin yana. Before Mama Kevin they bring you the command. Now if you not let them bring you the command. Your berry. Before of now say Kevin was a pikin where be say he biggest star where sabi speak Bini. Where God be blessed. Say Don Prince family, how come nobody don't fit conk almost from me head? As he conquer, what they want to conquer? Spiritual conquer. Ebonire do ye winner. Any winner na we. Ebo winner. Ebo na gile winner. Ebo magbe boy ni. They no matter if go reach palace. He don't use it. He direct everything they talk to. They no matter go reach our king wife. He say they advise our king wife. Best we no fear advise the old woman. We woman they call for live video so man we for. Now he want advise our king wife. Person way be say your wife will put for us or a bossy the naka. These useless women still get to a boy where they take off the way they give them money where they do the feed. Almighty go. He saying our king wife. The second god of Edo State. Oba talk be. He say. Oba talk be. He say. He saying our king wife. Queen. This boy off you begging. They no matter who we do cyberspace. Juju we they bini, they know they work. I'm a bogbiya na tiyan yon ba. Now you go get with social media. I'm a bogbiya. Vaye kena. Now I'm a bogbiya na you go get with social media. Now you can't bag yon ba. Me da career da. Me da career da. I'm a bogbiya ba na wa bege e career wa wu. Everybody start to run for them. Ogionba, before it will expire, of the lasting 1 year. Before the Ogionba will expire for their body, it will last 1 year. But then they are not talking. People need to talk and carry juju. They swear for them. Better one. Swear. Why we beg you with video ni ya go big ass igwan. Why we dey la diyan? Why dey la diyan? What they like? That is one they share my video. Many people, many therefore they sell for palace, they sell for everywhere. Why I got video? Those one where they share, now God will bless you now. All those one where they support me secretly, now God will bless you now. All of them where they support me secretly, also God bless you. Because therefore not for me, therefore not for this page, for everything. They don't like truth. See almost one now. See now.
Etas. I keep Mutanata. When you know me. I not get one wife. That they commit my house well.
You say not get one wife. Say not get one wife.
No working with where to what destiny. You dey put wig for her. You go carry wig like this. You go put up for her. They help the wife. They up wig.
Person not help your wife do a business. Hey boy nah. Ije Kevin awe here to but what ya okay say unta we no mo talk you ya we live video sia abeg ya e tori mu you na o no mo talk you ya we live video all complain na we Destiny Ebagua they help his wife they say your own wife you know fear pass say which kind pregnant be that it pregnant say do ivejia we that way who do dig back way. You know if you help your wife say. I beg you. You know if you help your wife say. Your own wife. God, I will continue to promote my wife. God Almighty, I will continue to respect my wife. God Almighty, I will continue to respect my wife. God Almighty, I will continue to promote my wife. So shall it be. All the people watching me, all the men watching me, Baba God, may they respect their wife, may they continue to support their wife. All the men watching me, King of Glory, Lord of Lord, they are the Zion and the Zion. All the men watching me, Baba, change their mind. If they get bad man like this boy, may they know they respect their wife. Baba, change their mind. Let them respect their wife. Let them respect their wife. Let them be loyal. You loyal for your wife, don't be batting. Now your wife. It's not me. Your wife will still loyal for you. It's a sign of respect. Now make you see so both that they live long. He and the wife, they go old. They'll see they drop body, they go. They're loyal for each other. They're loyal for each other. See, who be this one again? Another one. Not be me the talk, maybe not your grandfather you the talk. IGPs. If not me you the saw, now this boy